Honorable Mawathe, the reason why I'm not paying attention to you is because you're grossly out of order. That is gross misconduct. And contrary to Standing Order 107A, and in fact, one of them, you have attempted to remove the mace from its place in the chamber. And therefore, I have called you out. It gives the Speaker a right to call you out and immediately ask for you to remove from the precincts of Parliament, which I am therefore asking the Sergeant at Arms to remove you from the presence of Parliament for 5 days. Sergeant at Arms, proceed to remove Honorable Mbui. Honorable Mawathe, you're also grossly out of order. Honorable Mawathe, you are part of trying to remove the mace from its place. You have offended Standing Order 107, so you are going to be removed and expelled from the precincts of Parliament for 5 days. Honorable Mawathe, you are already expelled from the House. You are already expelled from the precincts of Parliament, and therefore you cannot even make a point of order. Please leave. Sergeant at Arms, proceed to remove Honorable Mawathe.